Hello, my name is Marcelo Alcantara. I am the CEO and the founder of the Xlung platform. In this video, I'll show to you how to access and use the Xlung 2.0 simulator for teaching mechanical ventilation. So, let's access the online simulation at the Xlung site, xlung.net. Here I click on the online simulation button. By clicking on this button, I go to the simulators page, and in this page, I have the option to choose the Xlung simulator. Okay, say Start Xlung. In a few seconds, the Xlung is on. The first button I want to show to you is the silence button. So, in the configuration button, I can make the Xlung mute. So now, no sounds around us, only for better explanation to you how it works. You have two parts of the simulator, the patient and the ventilator. The patient, its variables, its parameters, are on the top of the screen. In the center you have the arterial blood gases, and on the right you have the monitors. Here you are seeing an animation of the breathing pattern of the patient, and you can see also the oximetry. In the upper part, so you have the patient. In the left part, you have all the data for configuring or setting your virtual patient. You can set demographic data, pulmonary physiology parameters, muscle effort, and also metabolic disorders and even altitude. You can also set a variable of clinical scenarios like ARDS, asthma, COPD, or healthy individuals. Or just customize your patient as any way as you want. For the arterial blood gases, you can choose to show the parameters in color or without color anytime you want. And in the monitors, I can choose between the breathing animation and the oximetry. In the lower part of the screen, I have the ventilator. In the ventilator, I can choose any basic mode of ventilatory support, like VCV, PCV, and so on, with their respective adjustments. And on the left, I have the ventilator curves, as you see it in any ICU ventilator. I will pause for a moment and show you the pause button. Pausing the simulation, I can navigate in the curves showing the variables volume, flow, or pressure versus time. These are very important tools to teaching mechanical ventilation for your students or trainees in general. On the right side of the ventilator, I have the various parameters that the ventilator displays, like ventilometry, tidal volume, expiratory rate, synchrony parameters, like inspiratory time, respiratory mechanics, like peak pressure, and other variables like rapid shallow breathing index, and so forth. Well, I will start again the simulator by pressing the play button, and also show to you that in the curves left side of the ventilator parameters, you can have the option to show on the screen the acid-base nomogram. This acid-base nomogram can show exactly the pH and the PCO2 of the patient and classifying the acid-base disturbance that the patient has in real time. Another function of the ventilator is the possibility to download the simulation by pressing the download simulation button, or upload a previous simulation file that I have already recorded, and now maybe I can use it for another teaching purpose. all these 6 windows that you're seeing on the screen can be minimized. So I can minimize all patients' windows, or I can minimize a few of them and some parts of the ventilator. That's up to the person who is doing the simulation. Well, that's our first approach to the Xlung simulator. It's easy to play with the simulator, and it's easy to save and upload the simulations you are doing. Later on, in another video, I'll show to you how to set other parameters like the patient data and the ventilator configuration. See you in the next video.